How's it going, everybody? I don't know why I'm so short. Mikey from Magic City Mayhem here. It's Tuesday, so that means it's time for a brand new Hollywood Drift construction update. This is where I take some video from here in City Walk, from the balcony of Hard Rock Cafe Orlando, and also from the back by the firehouse. And you can go back and watch all the progress on this playlist right here. But before we get started on the video, I want to show you side-by-side comparisons from like the last week of the maintenance building that's being built. It doesn't really translate well to video, but when I show them side-by-side like this, it's kind of cool. So here they are side-by-side from pretty much all last week. So yeah, sit back, relax. Here's some construction updates. I really don't know what I'm looking at in a lot of these things. I know there are footers, I know there's molds, I know all that stuff, but once track starts hitting the pavement and other structure thingies, all right, I need something to drink. I gotta get out of here. Enjoy the update. Love you, bye.